Here's a shocking fact that will change how you think about aging forever. After 60, you lose 3 to 5% of your muscle mass every decade. That's not just weakness. That's your independence slipping away one grocery bag at a time. But what if I told you that your morning coffee could be the secret weapon against this muscle theft? I'm talking about 7 specific ingredients backed by real science that can help rebuild your strength and fight sarcopenia. That's the muscle-wasting condition that steals your freedom. I've spent hours researching these compounds. Each one targets a different piece of the muscle-building puzzle. And when you combine them in your morning cup, something powerful happens. All right, ready to get started? Let's dive in. We're counting down 7 ingredients, but the one at number 2 is the single most effective supplement for reversing age-related muscle loss. It's the ignition key for your muscle-building engine, and you absolutely cannot skip it. Stick around to find out what it is. Okay, let's count down the 7 ingredients that can transform your coffee into a muscle-protecting powerhouse. Starting with number 7, cinnamon. This isn't just for flavor. Cinnamon is your blood sugar bodyguard. When your blood sugar spikes and crashes, so does your energy. And low energy means less movement. Less movement means muscle loss. Studies show cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity by up to 29%. That means your cells use glucose for energy instead of storing it as fat. For seniors, this creates stable energy levels and reduces inflammation. Think of inflammation as rust eating away at your muscles. Cinnamon fights that rust. Add half a teaspoon to your coffee. Use Ceylon cinnamon if you can find it. It's safer in larger doses. Number 6 on our list is cocoa powder. Not sugary hot chocolate mix. Pure, unsweetened cocoa powder packed with flavonoids. These compounds improve blood flow to your muscles. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reaching muscle tissue. One study found cocoa flavonoids improved exercise performance in older adults by enhancing endurance and reducing muscle damage. It's like upgrading your muscles' delivery system. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons to your coffee. You'll get a delicious mocha flavor while boosting your cardiovascular health. Your muscles depend on good circulation to stay strong. Coconut or MCT oil is next at number 5. These medium-chain triglycerides bypass normal digestion and go straight to your liver. There, they convert into ketones. Instant brain and muscle fuel. For seniors, MCTs provide steady energy without blood sugar spikes. This sustained energy keeps you active all day. And active muscles are muscles that don't waste away. Start with 1 teaspoon in your coffee. Work up to a tablespoon if you tolerate it well. It makes your coffee creamy while providing hours of clean energy. You've already got the supportive players, but the next 3 ingredients are where the real muscle-building magic happens. And I've saved the most powerful anti-inflammatory compound on the planet for the very end. Don't go anywhere. Number 4 is high-protein milk or creamer. This seems basic, but it's foundational. Milk gives you calcium for bone strength and protein for muscle repair. Your bones and muscles work as a team. Weak bones mean poor stability, less activity, and muscle loss. 1 cup of milk adds 8 grams of protein to your coffee. If you're lactose intolerant, choose fortified almond or oat milk. Just check the label. Some plant milks have almost no protein. Add at least a 1/4 cup to your morning coffee. It's simple, affordable, and effective. All right, number 3 is collagen powder. After 40, your body's collagen production drops 1% every year. By 60, you've lost 20%. This weakens the connective tissue that supports your muscles. Studies show collagen supplementation reduces joint pain in 12 weeks. But here's the kicker. When combined with exercise, collagen can support muscle gains in older adults. Look for hydrolyzed collagen. It dissolves perfectly in hot coffee. Add 1 scoop, about 10 to 15 grams. It's tasteless and your joints will thank you. Next at number 2 is whey protein. This is the muscle-building champion. Whey protein contains all 9 essential amino acids, especially leucine. Leucine is the ignition key that starts muscle protein synthesis. Research shows older adults who consume 20 to 30 grams of whey protein daily can slow or reverse sarcopenia. We're talking measurable increases in muscle mass and strength. Add 1 scoop to your coffee, about 20 to 25 grams. Choose unflavored or vanilla so it doesn't clash with your coffee taste. This one addition could mean the difference between independence and frailty. And finally, number 1 on our list is turmeric with black pepper. Turmeric contains curcumin, nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Chronic inflammation breaks down muscle tissue faster than your body can rebuild it. Studies show curcumin reduces muscle soreness by 48% and improves joint mobility. For seniors, this means less pain and more movement. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric to your coffee. But here's the critical part. Add a pinch of black pepper too. Black pepper increases curcumin absorption by 2,000%. Without it, most curcumin just passes through your system unused. Now, let's break down why this coffee formula is so powerful against sarcopenia. This isn't just throwing ingredients together and hoping for the best. Sarcopenia is the silent muscle thief that robs your independence. It starts slowly, then accelerates. First, you struggle with heavy grocery bags. Then opening jars becomes difficult. Eventually, getting up from a chair requires effort. But here's what most people don't understand. Sarcopenia isn't just about losing muscle. It's about losing the entire support system your muscles depend on. Your muscles need 3 things to stay strong: protein for building blocks, energy for fuel, and a clean environment free from inflammation. That's exactly what these 7 ingredients provide. They work together as a complete system. The whey protein and collagen give your muscles the raw materials they need. The leucine in whey protein literally tells your muscles to start building. It's like flipping a switch that says, "Grow stronger." The cinnamon and coconut oil provide steady energy without the crashes that leave you exhausted. Stable energy means you stay active. Active muscles don't waste away. The turmeric fights the chronic inflammation that's secretly destroying your muscle tissue. Think of inflammation as a fire burning inside your body. Turmeric is the fire extinguisher. The cocoa improves blood flow, delivering all these nutrients exactly where they need to go. It's your muscle's highway system. And the milk provides calcium for the bone foundation that supports everything. But here's why morning coffee timing is crucial. Your body is most responsive to protein in the morning after an overnight fast. Your muscles are hungry and ready to absorb nutrients. Plus, the caffeine in coffee enhances everything. It boosts your metabolism, improves exercise performance by 12%, and helps you stay active throughout the day. But before you rush to the kitchen, you need to know about 3 common mistakes that will completely sabotage your results. One of them is making you waste your money on the most powerful ingredient on this list. Don't touch your coffee until you hear this. Now, here are the common mistakes that sabotage results. Don't add all 7 ingredients at once. Start with 3. Your digestive system needs time to adjust. Don't skip the black pepper with turmeric. Without it, you're wasting your money. The curcumin won't absorb. Don't use sugary creamers or syrups. They spike your blood sugar and trigger inflammation. You're working against yourself. And don't expect overnight miracles. Muscle building takes time. But most people notice increased energy within a week, while strength improvements show up in 4 to 6 weeks. Here's your mixing guide. Start with quality black coffee. Add your protein powder first and blend well to avoid clumps. Then add collagen, cinnamon, cocoa, and turmeric with black pepper. Finish with your milk or creamer and a teaspoon of coconut oil. The result, a creamy, delicious coffee that tastes like a mocha latte but works like edible medicine for your muscles. Here's your challenge. Pick 3 ingredients from this list and add them to your coffee tomorrow morning. Don't try to be perfect. Just start. If you're a beginner, I recommend whey protein, cinnamon, and milk. That combination gives you muscle-building protein, blood sugar control, and bone support. 3 powerful benefits in 1 cup. If you want maximum muscle protection, add turmeric with black pepper and collagen powder. Now you're fighting inflammation and supporting your joints too. The truth is, your morning coffee already has the power to change your day. These 7 ingredients just unlock that power for your muscles. If this video opened your eyes to what's possible, hit that subscribe button right now. I share science-backed strategies like this every week. Your future self will thank you. Drop a comment below and tell me which ingredient you're adding first. I read every single comment because your health journey matters to me. Remember, sarcopenia steals your independence one day at a time. But with the right fuel, your muscles can stay strong for decades. Sometimes the most powerful medicine comes in a coffee cup.